What is the best HD lace wigs? Transparent HD lace wigs are the best popular human hair wigs nowadays. So what is HD lace wig? HD lace wig means the invisible knots wig, also we can call it the undetected lace wig, invisible lace wig, transparent lace wig, Swiss lace wig, undetectable transparent lace wig or HD wigs. All of these wigs own common advantages. First, enjoy the exposed hairline. Second, very natural and renders. Third, it is a kind of invisible knots wigs. Fourth, soft for wearing and realistic appearance. Fifth, as for the lace type and any style versatility. Sixth, the breathable and comfortable and great flexibility. Seventh, easy to install and style as a beginner-friendly hair wig. Buy the best cheap transparent HD lace wigs and enjoy the best natural-looking human hair wigs for women, then get burning and hot and also to be more confident in life. Please click on link below and get best price and free shipping.